Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use chop mode for vegetables, nuts and herbs on your TherMomix TM7. There's no such mode called chop mode, but I'll show you something. If you go to the search and then search for the and look for the vegetables that will be listed in modes and ingredients. As you scroll down, you'll find the ingredients. You could also search for them with the search. Let's say I want to do cabbage. Then when I click on it, I have two options, chopped or steamed. When I select chopped, I can select which type of cabbage it is, and then whether I want it coarse or fine. Then it'll ask me for the weight. It can actually automatically weigh it, so if I put something in the mixing bowl, then it'll automatically weigh it for me and it'll automatically select the correct setting. Now I can approve it and then put the lid on top and it'll automatically set the settings for me. Yeah, that's how you can do it, and you can do it with different vegetables, nuts, herbs, anything you would like to do. Now there's one thing, if something you want to look for isn't available here, then you'll just need to kind of either select something similar in shape and texture, or try to set the manual mode yourself, or maybe selecting something and then adjusting the settings a bit further. So yeah, I could, for example, also, let's try one more thing. I could crush ice cubes, of course, here. And yeah, I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.